It's rather hot outside. It's nice to sit out there for a little bit until it's not nice, right? It is not in the morning. This is breakfast. I woke up kind of late this morning and I'm just now getting down to breakfast. I woke up at like 9 o'clock, something like that. And I woke up feeling like I was having a non-day. The previous vlog before this was shot this morning. So this is after that. After that video. I've had a shower, I've had a shave, I've got clean clothes on. And it is that the right time? Clock is saying it's before 3. It's definitely after 3. It is just a few minutes after 3. So, yeah, I feel like I woke up too late. That's why it became a non-day. I woke up too late and was sore and just needed to reset, but yet motivate and be productive, but at a different pace. This is the perfect thing right now. The perfect breakfast. You can argue with me all you want, but if you decide to argue, tell me what another thing is that's perfect, you've missed the point. This perfect non-day breakfast is this one today with me. What I've made is the perfect breakfast for today because it's perfectly tailor-made to me. Marmalade, toast, real butter, 4 eggs, and some bacon, and coffee. Perfect for me. So we're not like trying to tell you universally, this is it. This is it today. I put my red bone in the bedroom so she wouldn't hassle me while I eat because she's so food crazed. She could smell you cooking an egg from a mile away. You put Yaz, my little hound dog, in the yard, he'll find the pile of cat poop. You put Tulsa in the neighborhood, she'll find the yard. And if I'm shooting a video and eating, Tulsa will find my last nerve. And it's usually like I'm eating and an elbow keeps touching a dog's nose, and then all of a sudden the dog's nose is right here. And you gotta tell her, nope, no begging, sit down. And she'll do it. 30 seconds later, elbow hits a nose. And then a nose comes up right here. And you're just like, what are you doing? 30 seconds? That's all you can do? Sit there and watch me eat? Yeah. Red bones, so stubborn. But you gotta love them. You grow used to them. Some red bones don't change, though. They'll have a peculiarity that'll stick with them their whole life. Something they always do, and something always triggers it, like food, perhaps, because their sense of smell is far more keen than any other dog in this house right now. Far more keen. And you got to understand, when your sense of smell is super keen, or your sense of hearing is super, super keen, like strong, things mess with you. Certain sounds bother you. Certain smells drive you crazy. Right? She smells the dickens out of this breakfast, and I'm going to do her a kindness and let her assume the role of pre-washer. Cuts down on dishwashing liquid. Anyway, thank you for watching. Thank you for coming to breakfast and not eating all my bacon. Appreciate you. Y'all have a good whatever, and I shall too, because you got to live in the moment. When you're having a non-day, don't stop everything. Just pace yourself and get better, because obviously you dragged your ass through the ditch yesterday. And today, you need to float. You need your wings fixed. Yeah, you're right. Take it easy. And I will see y'all next time.